Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is friend Shinobi, and in today's video we're gonna unbox and set up the Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite. So yeah, without any further ado, hit that like button and let's hit that intro. Alright, so this is the box of the Fire TV Stick. It is orange. It has a lot of details about the device. You have the pictures, the labeling and all that, and there are some features mentioned here and there. So this box looks really good, and let's quickly just open it up. So we have like a seal at the back which like neglects the use of a scissor or something, so that is really nice. So you have a pull tab, just pull it up and it opens up. So inside, as we take a look, we have quite a few things. So first we have the Fire TV Stick Lite, and then we have the remote for it, which has no power and volume controls. And if you are using a TV with this, don't get this remote. Alright, and then we have the micro USB power cable and a power adapter to use it with. And also we have an HDMI extender and two AAA batteries for the remote and a manual, which nobody requires. Alright, so that is all the things that we get in the box. Now let's quickly just unpack all this and then we'll set it up. Okay, so my first impressions is that the packaging was really good. The unboxing experience was also very smooth. And now let's move on to the setup process, which is gonna be fairly easy. You just have to connect the Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite to your TV's HDMI port or your monitor's HDMI port if you're using a monitor like me. So yeah, just plug it in directly, connect the micro USB cable. Yes, it has a micro USB port. I don't know why. Connect the micro USB cable and connect it to the plug which they gave you with, and connect the plug to your socket basically, or else you can also run it through the USB ports on your TV, but I wouldn't recommend that because then it wouldn't run at the full power. Alright, so for best performance, use the plug which has been given. Alright, after that you just have to let it start. So mine did a few software updates and updated the software. After that, there's the setup screen. It is fairly easy. Just log in through your Amazon account. They'll give some numbers, just input it to the website, and yeah, you will be logged in. After that, the interface is pretty clean, so you can select what apps you want to download. They will just download quickly. And one thing is that you need a very strong Wi-Fi connection in order to use this, because otherwise you won't get the best performance, because the entire UI and stuff depends on your internet connection. So if your internet connection is really fast, then the UI will be very smooth and stuff. But if you are using a slow internet connection or your mobile hotspot, then good luck with it. Alright, so yeah, after I have set everything up, as you can see, the interface looks pretty clean, and the focus here being media playback. You have all the different streaming apps here and their like selection of shows and movies at the home screen, and you can scroll through them, you can search, you can install further apps. There is an app store. You can install different apps from here. You can like read Kindle books. There's also a browser, so you can visit different websites. And yeah, there's also Bluetooth in this, so you can connect your like wireless speakers, headsets and all that. I've connected my Bluetooth speaker and Bluetooth headsets to use this, and yeah, it works very fine. The setup process was pretty fast. And yeah, after that you have HDR playback support in this, you have Dolby Atmos support in this, and the Fire TV Stick Lite can play up to 1080p videos, yeah, which is the limit. So if you want 4K output, get the Fire TV Stick 4K. Alright, and yeah, this one costs about 2400 rupees, so in sales it can go lower, so make sure to check it out. I'll leave the links down in the description. Nevertheless, those will be my affiliate links. Do check them out. And yeah, that's about it. The picture quality looks amazing. I'll play a few videos for you. You can definitely enjoy, and hopefully I won't get a copyright strike from the creators. And yeah, so this has really helped me in converting the spare monitor that I have, which is basically my work computer because it is an all-in-one, into a media hub. Yeah, that has been really helpful because I don't have to buy a separate computer to use it. And yeah, that's about it for this particular video. This was my setup process and unboxing for the Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite. And if you liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button, definitely subscribe and hit that bell notifications to get notified about my new uploads. With that said, I'm your friend Shinobi and I'm signing out. Peace.